out of my compound. Get out of my house. Get out of my compound. You're trespassing. You're supposed to be officers of the law. Get out of my compound. Take a call. Now we better live.
Take a care.
Be on camera.
Take a call.
Get out of my compound now. Okay? You can use your guns on me if you want. Get out of my compound. Be live. All of you, go. Mugende. Out. Be ashamed of yourself. You're putting in a national uniform with a badge. You're trespassing. You can't even explain yourself.
Bayuzizza gundi waya z'amasanyalaze eza security ne babuka ekikomera. Era poliisi erina okusasula.
Get out of my compound. Okay? Sheriff, keep your camera on. The world is watching you. Get out of my compound.
Banaye mukyali mu gundi mu kifo kye mutasa agamba nti kyammwe. Wabweru wa gate is where you belong. If you want to offer us security today.
Are you calling the owner of the house?
Oh, yo yakubira nnyini wano.
He's calling the owner of the house to tell him whether or not to stay. You know? Just get out of my house. Get out of my compound. Is that too much to ask of you? On top of the property.
Nabagambye dda.
You people, we have no problem with you, but somebody is making you break the law. Okay? You know you were not trained to break the law. Get out of my property.
In fact, there's nothing unlawful with you disobeying unlawful order. There's nothing, you know that.
Tuchakkirira bannange. Tukyali walako.
Bane ne wano mukyali munda mufulume wakawa.
Geti ekyali walako eri wansi.
Bayitirawo sebo. Don't worry, you're live. The whole world is watching you.
You're a celebrity today.
Yeah, today you are a celebrity. So
this is the commander of the team. We sympathize with your troubles, but the law allows you to disobey unlawful order.
Because you're personally going to be liable for what you're doing. Because you know what you're doing is wrong. You have 5 minutes. Okay? Ngenda kutembwa zange either muzikuba amasasi oba mufulume ng'engoye za muzirisa. So please get out of my compound. Get out of my compound, officer, please. Okay, you've already committed crimes there. You've tortured my employee. Now get out. You have everybody's face?
Yeah.
Look. Sagala kuleka mabega.